Hi guys, it's Usernamekate here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a quick video. I've managed to convince my dad to buy a motorcycle. So I'm filming from in work at the moment. So this is Williams Motorcycles in Manchester. Although the showroom is closed for the public, we're still doing deals, we're still looking after people, finance, delivery, collection, all that jazz. So my dad is actually part exchanging his S1000 XR, which you would have seen in some previous videos. He is going to arrive roughly at 2 o'clock. We've got his finance all sorted, it's all paid out. It's just a case of him rocking up on his and riding out on his new one. I really can't wait to see what he thinks. So he's just arrived at Williams, he's honked his horn, that's the protocol, and we'll let him in. You right, Dad?
Alright, darling?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Just at front.
You can't see the finger in. That looks gorgeous. I love it. Yeah. Yeah, right decision.
Yeah, happy.
Very happy. Love your lots, but unfortunately. You're taking the piss with that.
Well, look at the reg crew.
That was my surprise, was it?
Yeah. Now,
More 470 Usernamekate.
Honestly, believe it or not, this is not even a private reg. This was just up on the first options, and I was like, no, that is fate that you need this reg.
Yeah, but a real surprise would have been more 470 Usernamedad.
That wasn't an option, so Usernamekate's got to be.
Oh.
But at least you won't forget it.
What was my advertising rates?
Oh, hey. Oh no, I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, I mean, my last GS was a 58 plate. I didn't like the one after it, I just couldn't sort of live with that.
Yeah.
But when I sit on this one, it just felt like we're just getting back on an old friend.
It's like putting an old slipper on.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
No worries.
Right, see you.
Enjoy it. I'll give you a call later on and just make sure you're alright.
Bouchard.
Hey.
Thank you.
Dad, I've just realised this is going to cost you a lot more money than you thought.
Yeah. New helmet.
Yeah.
Black. Sound like a girl though. Radiator guards.
Oh yeah, some rag guards look nice on that.
What else would you suggest, Kate? You say you can get them in black?
Yes, so we're going to price these up in black, I think. Going to get some black rad guards. I think that's a good investment.
And I think a guard for the headlights as well.
Yeah. So he's got the new adaptive headlight, which if you look on the old models, this is all like plastic and greyed out, but now it sort of goes down and has the cornering lights and stuff that you'd like, and it's got new indicators, which with the back of the bike as well, when you actually brake, the indicators come on as well, just so you're extra visible. But yeah, Dad, you got loads of riding modes and heated grips, heated seats. Mum will be impressed.
Right, so the keys in my pocket.
Yeah.
What mode is it in now, Kate?
It's in dynamic.
Right.
So if you refer back to that video that I sent you,
Yeah.
what I've done with my dad is I've done a video handover, which all the customers will get, where I've talked him through the dash via a video, so then it's just a case of him jumping on and riding off. Full tank. We don't mess around on a new bike, Dad.
I'll coming in again. Hey, it's not hurting your legs when I pedal back.
Hey! Oh, that new adaptive headlight looks awesome. Let's get the gate for him. Oh, I've not got the strength. There we go. Right, see you later, Dad. Ride safe. Take care. See you later. Okay, so just done the handover. Oh, I think he was so happy. What do you guys think of the bike? I did a little poll to see if you guys could guess, and the first person to get it right was AD Watkins. Said he was going for the GS 1250 in the Black Star Metallic, which is basically what the triple black package is. So well done, AD. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I think Mum's just about getting over it, which is amazing. Yeah, thanks for coming along for my dad's collection. And yeah, until next time guys, see you soon.